This was just something I was playing around with earlier this week, but since so many of you have asked how I made this cookie, I thought I would show you how to do it really quick. Before you start piping any icing on your cookie though, you want to melt some white chocolate and put it into a piping bag. You don't want it so hot it will burn you, but you definitely want it about as thin as your icing. Then to get started on the cookie, outline the entire cookie with a medium consistency white icing and a number 3 tip. Immediately fill in the cookie with the same icing. This icing is just a little bit thinner than I normally use because I want to give myself enough time to do the wet on wet designs before it starts drying. So once you've filled the entire cookie with white icing, add horizontal lines across the heart with your melted white chocolate. You can see it's almost exactly the same color as my royal icing. Be quick, kind of reckless about this because we're gonna mess up the lines in a second anyway. Grab a scribe tool and drag through the icing and the white chocolate to create the fun knitted pattern on this heart cookie. Once you've dragged through the entire icing, let the cookie dry for a few hours and let the chocolate cool at the same time. Grab some food color spray, I like to use the Sweet Sugar Bell spray, and just spray it over the cookie. Since it's a water-based food coloring, it's not going to stick to the white chocolate pattern that we've created on our cookie. It's like cookie magic!